Dear students, welcome to today's class. In the last class, what we learned: introduction to logarithms and conversion of exponential form into logarithmic form, and logarithmic form into exponential form. So let us see some more examples on that. Let me take 8 power 1 is equal to 8. So you already know this. Any number power 1 is always the same number. Okay, this is exponential form. Convert this into log form. So here exponent, what is exponent here? 1. So 1 is defined as logarithm of 8 to the base 8. So always remember always what is a base in exponential form? 8. And what is base in log form? 8. Base doesn't changes, so that must be remember, then it will be easy for you. Okay, let us see another example. 5 power 1 is what? 5. This is exponential form. Convert this into the log form. So what happens here? 1 is equal to log 5 to the base 5. Another example. 3 power 1 is equal to what? 3. Convert this into same log form. What it becomes? 1 is equal to log 3 base 3. So what do you observe from these three examples? So what do you observe? Log of a number to the base of same number and base. If number and base are equal, then logarithm always 1. Log 8 8, log 8 to the base 8 1, log 5 to the base 5 1, log 3 to the base 3 1. Log of a number to the base of same number is always 1. So let us generalize this. Log a to the base a always 1. So this is you have to remember. Okay, let us take another one. So as you already know that any number power 0 is always 1. So 2 power 0 is what here? 1. You already know this. So this is a exponential form. Convert this into log form. So what happens? What is exponent here? 0. 0 is defined as log 1 to the base 2. Okay, don't forget that the base must be same. Here base is 2 and here also base is 2. Exponent is defined as log base 2 of this number. Okay, so 5. Another example. 7 power 0 is 1. So convert this into log form. 0 is equal to log 1 to the base 7. 9 power 0 1. Any number power 0 is 1, always 1. So what it becomes here? 0 is equal to log 1 to the base 3. From these examples, again, what do you observe? Log 1 to the base, or whatever may be the base, logarithm of 1 always 0. So generalize this. Log 1 to the base a. A means whatever may be the base is always 0. So this is another one, you have to remember it. Okay, let us move on to the properties. Okay, properties of logarithms. So first one is a product rule. What is first one? Product rule. So product rule, let us understand this. So what is product rule? Log of product of any two numbers xy is equal to log x plus log y. Take the base as 10. If you take 10 as base, it will called as common logarithm. In general, we take common logarithm. Okay, how do you get this? Let us try to understand. As we know the laws of exponents in 8th class, one of the laws of exponent is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, so let us suppose x is equal to a power m and y is equal to a power n. Again here what is it? Exponential form. You can convert this into log form. So what happens here? What it becomes? So m is equal to log x base a. Similarly, if you convert this into log form, second one, so n is equal to log y to the base a. Okay, So x into y, x into a product, x into y is equal to a power m into a power n. So here x is equal to a power m and y is equal to a power n. So we know that through the laws of exponent a power m plus n. Again you observe here this is exponential form. Convert this into log form. So what happens here? Exponent. What is exponent? M plus n. M plus n is equal to log. What is base here? A xy. So again you substitute m and n. What is m here? Log x to the base a. M means log x to the base a. So log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. That means m plus n is equal to log xy to the base a. Okay, you got this. So this is called as product rule. Okay, let us see some examples regarding this product rule. Okay, log 5 into 4 base 10 is how much? Log x into y. Log x into y means the answer is log x plus log y. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take another examples. Okay, the question will be asked like this: expand log 30. Expand log 30 to the base 10. So how do you expand? So first of all you have to factorize this. 2 15 ja 3 5 ja. So 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. So then log 30 to the base 10 can be written as log 30 is 2 into 3 into 5 to the base 10. Okay, log xyz. So according to the product rule, log xyz is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. So log 30 to the base 10 is equal to log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 plus log 5 to the base 10. So this will be the answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve these questions. Next let us see another example on this product rule. Expand this expand log 55 to the base 10. Okay, expand. So 55 you have to factorize this 11 5 ja. So 55 can be written as 11 into 5. So log 55 to the base 10 is equal to log 11 into 5 to the base 10. So according to the product rule, log xy, we have 11 for x and 5 for y. So log x plus log y. So this is the answer. So you can do some problems on your own. Okay, so each one of you write and post me 5 examples on this product rule. Okay, so let us meet in the next class.